Hi, today on Cut It Open, we got a set of hair clippers. So for those of you who don't know how hair clippers work, there's a set of blades along the top here, and what they do is they move side to side, and when hair goes through them, it cuts it. So that's how hair clippers work. So let's cut it open and see what we get. Okay, so what have we got? We've got the on-off switch, some type of capacitor or magnetic windings. I'd say that's a big magnet, and that must, oh yeah, so there's actually a magnet, and when it energizes it must rotate that, and then when that rotates it rotates the head side to side. So it's actually a magnet in there that does that. When there's current running through it, moves side to side, and then on that pivot moves that side to side. I wonder if we can turn it on with the case open. Let's try it. Okay, got it plugged in. Let's see if we can turn it on. Wow, it's a bit quick, but you can see it moving side to side down there. So it's all in this magnetic coil. So I do believe that when electricity charges the coil, it'll probably pulse on and off, and when it pulses on and off, that swivels side to side. That's only a guess though. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see if we can take this magnet out. So that looks like the magnet. No, that's not a magnet, but maybe when it gets energized it turns into a magnet. I think that's how it works. I think if we pull this off, there'll be all windings. Let's get a blade and cut that off. Alright, let's see if we've got some copper windings in here. Oh yeah, there we have it. That's all copper windings. Look at that, it's that thin that the razor blade actually even cut them. Look at them all, thousands and thousands of windings around that. And then there's the other part there, so I don't think that's a magnet either. Oh yeah, that is a magnet. There you go. So that ends the magnet. And when this energizes, that's what makes it go side to side. So there you go. That's the magnet bit right there. Well, there it is. Cut it open, hair clippers. Pretty simple one in the end. Copper windings around that coil, energizes the magnet swivels side to side, in turn moving the blade. And that's how it cuts your hair. Pretty simple, but a really great invention. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked it. Click like and subscribe if you like, and we'll see you next time. Take it easy.